Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title, we are doing another Allure beauty box. I did peek inside, so I already know what's in there, but I still want to share it with you guys. Don't worry, we still are going to get into the Easter DIYs this week, so that will be on Thursday that we start our first Easter DIY. But before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Also, make sure you are following me on Instagram so you get updated of things that are going on in my life outside of YouTube. And make sure you like this video. So let's get into it. And for those of you who didn't see the last video, the Allure beauty box, this is how it ships. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. Really nice. So of course you get a little pamphlet that tells you the things that are in here. Of course the refer the friend thing on the back. So let's just open it. So we have a all natural lip color, I'm assuming. Rose water toner. I can verify that that is in there because, like I said, I did look beforehand, and a few other things, so you can read over this if you decide to get an Allure beauty box. So the first thing I seen when I opened the box was this Derma E, and it smells amazing, guys. I smelled it. It's like a citrusy scent, but it smells really good. It's microdermabrasion scrub. Say that 5 times fast. But yeah, it smells really good, guys. I wish you could smell it. And then this month we have a kind of ivory colored bag. Last month, if you watched, we got a black one. So let's see what's inside. So the first thing is the rose water. I didn't open this up to smell it, though. I always have to smell things. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, that smells nice. That smells really nice. And it's rose water toner for your face, I'm assuming. You guys know I am not a beauty guru at all, so don't mind me if I seem a little bit ignorant to what things are used for. We have by Ren, R-E-N. This is Overnight Recovery Balm. So you have that. Next we have Vichy. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that right, guys. Vichy Mineral 89 Booster. Quote Dien Forfiant. Oh, I'm reading it wrong. It's a skin fortifying daily booster. Oh, what language is that? Okay, but there we go. Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. It has mineralizing water and hydrochloric acid in it. So then we have the All Natural. The color is grapefruit. It's a cream multi-stick. So let's open it. And when I say I opened this to look, I opened this bag to see what's inside. I didn't open these. And I guess I should have opened that Vichy box so you guys can see what that looks like. Ooh, that's awesome. Why do I smell everything? Let's see, guys. Let's see the color. Well, that goes really nice with my skin. I hope you guys can see this. It's kind of light, but I like light stuff. Can you see it? I like it. I like subtle things with my skin tone. I don't like to kind of look at me kind of thing when I'm wearing makeup. So nice subtle things are what get me. Oh, that's a cute little bottle. So that's what was inside of this box. And a few more things, guys. Oh, and if you're wondering, I dyed my hair. You can watch that video on my vlog channel. But this is called Dark Intense Indigo by Garnier Nutrice. And it feels amazing. I love Garnier products. So, Biosense Squalane Peptide Eye Gel reduces visible puffiness and dark circles. So you have that. And I just messed up my nail that I just polished. Things I do for you guys. These little things have the cutest packaging, don't they? That's a cute little bottle. So now I have more things for my daughter to try to steal from me. And she's only 9 for those of you who are new. And last but not least, we have Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. Ew, that's pretty. It has nothing on the bottle, but I like the color of the liquid inside. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's like a roller ball. That's convenient. It has a scent, but it's like a very subtle scent. So, and this roller ball is awesome. But I smell things, especially when I'm putting stuff on my face, because I don't want anything that smells horrible going on my face. Are any of you like that? So we got a great deal of nice little items, guys, here for March. So I would definitely leave the link below so you guys can try it out for yourself. And if you try it out, your first box is $10, which is great for free products, basically. Everything costs well over that. So yeah, check it out, see if you like it. I'm not being paid by them. This is something that, like I said in the last Allure beauty box, I've been wanting to try it. I'm already subscribed to the Allure magazine, so I get this stuff in my emails. Try the Allure beauty box. And you know, when you search for things, everywhere on social media comes up with ads. So on Instagram, I just kept being bombarded with ads for the Allure beauty box, and I said, you know what, it's 10 bucks. I'm gonna try it. I spend 10 bucks on way less things and way less important things than, you know, beauty items. So this is great because all of this is stuff that I can use, because you guys know I don't wear makeup all the time. So the fact that I can get this and have items that I will use, not just set in a drawer and wear makeup twice a week when I'm doing YouTube videos, or not at all, because all I have on today, guys, is lipstick. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I love this color. Tell me if you like my hair darker or lighter. I like it darker. Normally I like it lighter, but lately I've been loving my hair dark. It's not my original color. My original hair color is not black. It's like a dusty brownish black. I'll show some pictures of me as a kid and before I started cutting and dyeing my hair, but it's growing back. I'm letting it grow out. I don't know how far I'm gonna let it grow out, because when I was a kid my hair was like down to here. I'm not sure I'm gonna let it grow out that long, but we'll see, because I'm getting tired of it already. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. I love all of you who have been giving me the likes, because it really helps me with the videos. I just don't want to do videos that you don't like. So the more likes I get on a certain video just kind of lets me know what you do like. I know everybody says, oh, it's for the views, it's for the likes, but it's for the likes, because if I don't get the likes, then I don't know you like it. So I'm just going to do what I want to do instead of doing what you want to see on my channel. So if that makes sense to all of you. But thank you for watching. Let's get up to 10,000 so we could do the giveaway, guys. I really want to be able to give back to you for supporting me over these last years of me not knowing what the heck I want to do with my channel. But I really appreciate all of you who stick around through thick and thin with me. You mean a lot to me, because I still would not be doing this if I didn't feel it was making some kind of impact on you guys. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. So with that being said, we're going to end the video now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see what's going on in my life. I have a lot of things coming up, and I will be posting a lot more on Instagram, so look out for that, guys. You can also check out my vlog channel, which is in the description, as well as me and my husband's movie review channel, also in the description. We are going to see us this Thursday, so make sure you are following our movie review if you want to know what we thought of the movie before you go see it or after you go see it. And with that being said, I will see you next time. Bye.